So good morning, guys. And today we are going to discuss about storage account, right? What is a storage account? So why are you using the storage account? So we are using the storage account to store the data, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Store the data like files, folders, images, right? Yes or no? And
Yes, sir.
videos. Storage account is nothing but store the data like files, folders, images, and videos. So you can ask me like, Sandeep, you have the server and you can keep the files in the server, right? Yes or no? So why
Yes.
are you in the storage account means, for example, let me see like if you take like Flipkart. So when you go to the Flipkart website, let's go with the Flipkart or Amazon. In this Amazon, right? In this application, if you see like this is the e-commerce website, right? Yes or no? In this e-commerce website, how many images are there here? In this server, how many images are there?
Lot of images.
There are number of images are there, right? So lakhs of
Yes.
images are there, right? For example, if you
Yes.
see like in the just an example, in a folder you have a single file. If you open the single file, it will open immediately, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
If you
sir.
have the thousands of images in a folder, how much time it will take? So
It will
generally,
take
in a
time.
folder, if in a folder you have the thousands of images, how much time it will take to open?
It will take time.
It will
Load.
take time to open, right? Yes or no? The
Yes.
same thing
Yes.
here. If you having lakhs or crores of images in a single server, how much time it will take? First, it need to load all the images, then it will open the server. Are you able to follow me?
Yes. Yes, sir.
It will take a lot of time for us. That's the
Yes.
reason what they're going to do. They're going to upload the images in the storage account and they're going to give the link. Let's see the
Okay.
simple example. For example, I'll go with the mobile. So you can see the mobile here. You can go with the Poco mobile. Poco mobile. You can see the mobile here. Got it?
Yes.
And I'll go with Amazon.in. Poco mobile. You can see the mobile here, right?
Yes.
You can see the Poco mobile. So right click, view, right click, inspect. Then I click here. Got it? This you are getting the
Yes.
image link. Are you able to follow me? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
the image link of mobile. Are you able to follow me? You can see that.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
generally, if you upload the image in the Amazon, how you need to get, for example, https
Amazon.
www.amazon.in/ you need to get the images like this. You have to get it, right?
Yes.
Got it? But what you are
Yes,
getting
sir.
here, m.media-amazon.com/images. Are you able to follow me? Means
Yes, sir.
they have uploaded this image where media-amazon. They have not uploaded this image in amazon.in. Are you able to follow me?
Okay.
So just
Yes,
what they
sir.
did here, just they given the link. They given the source somewhere and they just given the link. That's the reason when you open the Amazon, it is going to open very fastly. If you upload
Okay.
this lakhs of crores of images in a single folder, in a single server, it will take a lot of time to open that and it's going to cost effective. So simply what they're going to do is it highly cost. So they have uploaded the image in the somewhere and what they did, they given the URL. Any doubts or any questions here?
No, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
In this, we have the types of storage accounts. What is it? Types of storage account, and that is blob storage or container storage, and table QUE. So these are the different types of storage accounts. Simply you can go to the Google and search for the, first you need to log into the portal.azure.com. Create a resource group.
Blob storage or container storage, both
I'll
are same.
explain. I'll explain you, not to worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you have to create a resource group. I'll give the resource group name is Azure test. Next, thanks, and finally review and create. So after creating the resource group, you have to create a storage account. I have to go with the storage accounts, and you can see the create a storage account. So this is like up to 500 TB you can use it. Okay, 1 TB is equal to 1024 GB RAM. Okay, create a
Okay,
storage account. I'm selecting the storage account name. So the storage account name must be unique. Okay, DSF storage account 1. Okay, you can't take it like DSF. It is not going to take the upper cases. Okay, the field can
Okay.
contain only the lowercase letters, and name must be in the 3 to 4 characters. Okay, I'm
Okay,
giving
sir.
DSF storage account 1, and the region I'm selecting the East US, and primary services just is the blob storage, Azure Lake, or Azure Files, or other database tables and queue. You have the other tables and queues will be there. We don't require that. Azure blob storage. Okay, got it. You know that
Okay, sir.
LRS, GRS, and ZRS already have. We discussed these things in the LRS. Next, networking. So enable the public access from all the networks. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Click on next. Next. So here enable the soft delete means how many days it needs to be dead. Okay. Generally you will give, but here I'm deleting it. Okay. We're just doing the
Okay.
practice, right? So how many days it needs to be delete after that, soft delete and all these things. So generally, let's see here. Then you're going to create basis DSF storage account 1. Click on next, and then require secure transfer SKP. Right now we don't record all these things. Enable storage account key access. Okay, this is you can go to access. Click on next. Previous you can see that hot, cold, and cold. Okay. So generally, if you are using for the production, you can go with the hot. It's a general purpose. You can use the cool and all these things. Next. Next. So here you can see the soft delta, how many days they need to be available after deleting also, and this information. Click on next. Click on next. And one more is files. Okay. Okay. And click on next. Next. Create. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
So after creating the storage accounts, so we have a different types of the things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, a storage account. We have a different types of storage accounts. You can go with the storage. Yeah, these are nothing but storage accounts. Okay. Data storage. You have the containers. One more is file shares. What is it? File shares, containers. In the containers, we have a three types of access. What are they? Container storage. We have like three types of access. What is it? Three types of access. What are they? One is hello.
Hello, Sandeep.
We have three types of access. What is it? Blob level access. First one is private. What is it? Private,
Private.
blob, and container. So private is nothing but okay. So we don't have access. Okay, limited members can access. Okay.
Limited. Yes.
Blob is nothing but we can access particular file. So container means we can access all the files. Got it?
So
Let
content
me.
means public one.
I'll explain you. Not to worry. And here you can go here. I'll go to the images. First, I'm taking the by skill images JPG format. So first, I'll go ahead with this. Save images. One. Okay. Example. Save images. To don't require this. Save images. To got it.
Yes, sir.
Save images. Don't take the web files. Okay. Save images. 3. I'll take the bikes. Bikes JPG. Save images. 4. Save images. 5. Save images. 6. Cars JPG. Save images. 7. Save images. 8. Save images. 9. Got it? Totally, how many images I taken? I have taken the 9 images. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So here I'm going to take the container. First, I'm going to take the by skill. What is it? So what type of access I'm giving here is a private access. What is it?
Private.
Private access. Okay, great. In this by skill, what I'm trying to do, I'm going to upload the files. 1, 2, 3, and upload the files.
Okay.
Upload. The same thing, I have the bikes. What is that? Bikes. First, it is have the private access. Later on, I'll change it. Okay. Create. For the bikes, I will change the access level. Okay. This
Okay.
access level is set to private and select the containers. Okay. The settings. These accesses. If you don't know anything, you can search in the Google. Okay. Got it?
Okay.
So Stack Overflow, there is a website is there you can do it. Configuration and other settings. It's an option in the configuration here. Navigate a storage account in the portal and look at the configuration. Look at the configurations and settings. Do you have any option here? Configurations.
Under settings.
It's a monitoring classic. Automation is not the thing.
Click on settings.
Yeah, settings. Okay, settings and configuration. Okay.
Configuration.
So here you have to set the allow the blob storage. Okay. Allow the blob storage anonymous is there, right?
Yes.
Storage account. And once you go with the storage accounts, and you can go with data storage, containers, bikes, change access level to blob level access.
No.
So here under the bikes, I'll upload the files. I'll upload the bikes. Got it? Upload. Then I'm going to create a one more account. What is it? Cars. What is it? Cars.
Cars.
Here directly you can give the container access. Click on create. Are you able to follow me?
Yes,
The cars, bicycles is the private access, bikes is the blob level access, cars is the container access. Upload, browse the files, and you can give the cars. Upload. Any doubts or any questions here?
No, sir.
First, bikes is the private access, right? I'll go with private access. Bicycles is the private access, bikes is the blob access, and cars is the container access. I'll go with the bikes. Bikes. For every file you have uploaded, it is going to generate URL. I'll go with the one. You can see that I'll get the URL. Copy this and paste it. Are you able to access here?
No.
Are you able to access here? Bike 2. Generally, you can go with the bike 2. I'll just copy this bicycle 2. Are you able to getting here?
No, not.
No, you're not getting. Why? Because this is the
Private
access. Bikes. I'll go with the bikes. I'll go with the JPG. I'll copy this and I'll paste here. Are you able to access?
Yes.
If I go with copy this URL, I'll paste it here. Are you able to access?
Yes, sir.
I'll go here. I'll just copy this. Are you able to access now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So like this, we have the 3 types of accesses. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
But when you go with the cars, storage. I'll just copy this and I'll paste here. Are you able to access?
Yes.
Copy this. I'm going to paste it here. Is it able to access?
Yes.
I'll just copy this. I'll paste here. Is it able to access?
Yes, sir.
So you can able to access it. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
So here, so what you understand, bicycle is a private. You can't access outside. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Bikes and cars are you can able to access it, right? But what is the
Yes.
difference between blob level access, container level access? Means storage account access API. List storage account list container Azure storage API REST API. Okay. So you have the URL for this. So list it. Blob storage. Got it. So here you can see the bikes, right? I'll just copy the bike URL. You can able to access the bike, right? Yes or no? Hello? Satish, are you able to follow me? Satish, can you hear me? Hello?
Hello. Sandeep.
Hello?
Sandeep.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen this REST API? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can go with Azure Blob Storage API list files. You can go here and you have the files here. So what you're going to do means I have opened the blob storage. What is it? Bikes, you can the blob storage. JPG. I'll just copy this file. I'll paste here. You are getting the bike, right? Yes or no? After the bikes, I'll just copy this REST API. We don't record all these things. I'll just remove this, okay?
Okay.
REST API. I'll go with the list here after the bikes. Is it getting anything here? Is it getting anything here?
No,
Hello?
sir.
It is showing there.
No, sir.
Yeah, but when you go with storage accounts, when you go with the container access, I'll just go with the JPG. I'll just copy this. You can go here. After the cars, what you have to do? Copy this, paste here. You can see that it is showing the image 7, image 8, and image 9, right? Yes or no? In the XML format.
Yes, sir.
Means now you got the point, right? What is that? Private means you can't access outside. Bike blob means you can access the individual file, but container means it can access 7, image 7, image 8, and image 9. So we can
Yes,
able to
sir.
access the file in group.
Yes, sir.
So blob means access the individual file, and container means we
Individual.
can access the group files, and private means we can't access outside.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Any doubts or any questions?
No, sir.
So how we can access the files in the private? We have the private files, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
For this thing, you have to use the tool called Azure Storage Explorer. What is it? Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
I have to download the Storage Explorer. You can go with Google Azure Storage Explorer. You can go here and you can download and you can install. Oh, it's taking. Got it. Here you can go here. Storage Explorer. Click on run. Install for me. Accept. Next. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Satish. Am I audible? Can you hear me? Satish, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can go to storage accounts, DSO storage account. So you have to download and you have to install the Storage Explorer, right? Simply you can go to the Google and search for the Azure Storage Explorer. Then you can go here and you can click here and you can download and you can install it. So here, so you can able to access the storage accounts, right? Yes or no? So here you can see that yeah, here you can able to access the storage accounts. So for these, we have the accesses here, settings, configuration, not configuration, data storage containers, and we have access control.
Auntie. Class one.
Option here. Networking, in the networking, are you able to follow me? So
Yes,
which
sir.
networks or which IP address they can able to access, you can give the IP address. Okay, you can see the access keys here. Show the access keys and open the Storage Explorer, and you can see the connection here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And you can go with the storage accounts and services, and here you can see the string shared account name and key. Click on next. Display name, you can give anything. Account name, and what is this? Storage account name and account key. Got it? Are you able
Yes,
to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Click on next. Connect. You can see here it is connected.
Yes, sir.
You can see the blob level containers. You can see the bicycles, bikes, and cars we have created. So we have created the bicycle, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I can download this file. You can see here it is downloaded.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Like this, you can access the files and all these things. And this is one way. And we have a different ways. You can buy subscription also. Okay. Click on next. Yes, that's Sandeep. Close the tab. Okay. You can access in a different way. You can see here directly I'm getting the subscription here. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is the one way. And we have a different ways, and you can connect Azure storage service, and you can buy using the shared access signature. Shared access signature, and you're getting this thing here. So only which services you want to access for which one, okay? Whether you want to give the services access or containers access or object access, right? Whether you want to get read access or filter access, right? And which IP address you want to give access. For example, my IP. What's my IP? So this is my IP. You want to give the access. So that's the access you can give. HTTP and HTTPS. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
12/24 to 13 date, for example. 13, I want to give access. Generate, you want to read access, write access, whatever, generate the connection string. Got it? Just
Yes,
give the
sir.
connection string. Just give the connection string. You can give the SaaS token, okay? We are looking for the blob, right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
What I taken here? Blob service. So like this, you can able to connect. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And like this, we have a different ways to access it. You can connect option services, shared access account name, already connection string is there, right? You can use the
Yes.
connection string also. Just use the connection string. Connection string. Got it? So these are very different ways to access the storage account. Any doubts or any questions here?
No, sir.
Hmm. So I have access in the different ways. And what we are discussing here, storage accounts, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So like this, you can able to access it. And here, storage, data storage containers, right? Yes or no? So this is different types of access levels: private, blob, and container. Private means you can't access outside. Blob means you can access the individual file. Container means you can access the files in a group, all files in a group. Okay.
Yes.
File share. File share is nothing but, so generally in olden days you're going to have the sharing the folder, right? Yes or no? You want to share this folder with someone, you can share this folder. Got it?
Okay.
Hello. So
Okay.
for example, review and create. I'm going to create it. So here there is an option called connect. What is it? So you can upload your files here. What the files you want to upload? For example, I'm uploading the Azure class one. Okay. Upload. So this file I want to share with you. You want to get this folder in your laptop. Got it? Just click on the
Yes.
connect. What is that?
Correct.
Connect. So you can see here in your system, you have the drives. C drive, D drive, V drive, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Like
sir.
this, it is going to create a Z drive in your system.
Oh.
If it is a Windows mission connections thing, and click on the show script. If you run the script in your computer, it is going to run the Windows computer. It is going to create a Z drive. So what are the files you upload there? There it is going to store here. If you go with the Linux, you have to show the script. If you run the script in the Linux, so it is going to create a drive there. Got it?
Okay.
If you want to create this drive in the Mac, if you run the script, it is going to create in the Mac. Any doubts or any questions here?
No, sir.
So generally we don't use these things. Generally, I'm telling you. QE. QE is nothing but, so if you want, so generally if you DSF test. So generally, if you click on that particular URL, you're going to get the message. So it is going to display the message. Okay.
Okay.
For example, you can see this URL here. So it is going to create a message actually. DSF test. You can create a message. What is it? Good morning message. Click on OK. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is adding, this is a message text. And tables. So generally the same like database, you can create a tables here. DSF test. You can create a tables. So this URL. So where we are creating the tables that you can give here. Are you able to follow me? So basically in all these things, we're going to use only the containers.
Okay.
So you can see here we have different things, access. So generally roles and assigns, if you want to give the role access, that we're going to create this. Data migrations, you want to do any data migrations, right? Migrating means you're going to transfer from data from on-prem to cloud or cloud to one cloud to another cloud. That is called data migration. Got it? Events. Events is nothing but that if something happens, you need to take this action. That is an events. Storage browser, storage mover, and partner solutions. Okay, we can configure with the third-party tools. We discuss the containers, file share, queue, and tables. Networking, if you want to give access for someone, okay. Then you have to
Okay.
enable for the all networks, but you want to give particular access for the particular IP, that IP address you have to give here. Friend door, generally they'll put a questions on the friend door. So friend door is nothing but it's a type of security, okay? Got
Okay.
it? So content delivery network actually. CDN friend door, CDN is nothing but content delivery network. Are you able to follow me? Already
Yes,
we
sir.
discussed the access keys and shared access and encryptions and all these things. And data management. These are the different things. Redundancy is there. So generally, if in which region it is there here, primary location is. If you
Please
want
do.
to replicate with other region, you have to go with a geo replication and click on save. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
You can see that there is created the one more region, that is redundancy, and West US is the secondary location. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Data protection objects. And using this story accounts also, we can create a website. Enable index.html, index.html. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Click on save. So you can see the storage accounts containers. It is created a new container here. Have you seen here? Logs, web. Yes or no? These three
Yes,
things
sir.
we have created logs. So generally, which access it is? Private access. I'm going to change the access to container
Okay.
access. In this, I'm going to upload a dummy file. I'll go with the GitHub. I'll go with the GitHub. I'll give them sample HTML. Sorry. Simple HTML web app. Website. Got it?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you able to follow me? I'll download this file. Go in the folder. Back here. Delete. Delete. Yeah. You have the files right here. And everything. Rename HTML website. So what I'm going to do? Yeah, the index.html, right? Weblogs.
Yes,
Upload. Browse. Downloads. Web files. Got it?
yes, sir.
We're going to overwrite everything. Upload. This is a website. What is it? This is a
Website.
website. Yes, storage account. When I got the static website, where is the static website here? Static website. For this, it is going to generate some URL. Okay.
Okay.
Copy this. Sir, no, you're getting the website here. Twitter, LinkedIn, something, a dummy website.
Okay.
Yes, sir, no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or I'll go with institute or bakery, HTML website, GitHub. Got it. I'll just download the folder. Downloads, bakery and HTML. Sorry. Delete. Extract here. Okay. Here you have the files, right? Got it. You don't have any files here. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Let's refresh this. We're getting the bakery website, right?
Okay. Yes. Yes, sir.
About us. Reservation. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Bakers. Like this, you can create a website in the storage. They'll ask you that how to create a website in the storage account. Okay. By using
Okay.
the static website, we
Static
have to
website.
create a. Okay. So these are the different things. You go through it and what are the points you're having. Any doubts
Okay,
here?
sir. No, sir. Clear.
So this is how we are going to create a storage account.